Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. And a couple of shows ago, I did a series on how to improve shortwave reception. And one of the shows was about the audio out of your radio, especially if you have a small radio like this Texan PL330. If you're in a noisy environment, and this you got this little speaker, and if you turn that little speaker, turn the volume up kind of high, it's going to distort. Plus, the weak signals, the weak shortwave signals, you're going to miss because of the noisy environment you're in. And what I suggested is that you use the earphone jack and hook up earphones or headphones and use it that way. Or, to be a little more convenient, you could use a Bluetooth transmitter. And what I have here in this little box is a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. And this is the audio cable. So what you do is it comes with this charging cable. You charge up the internal battery, which is only, I think, 200 milliamp hours. So they say in the manual that it will transmit for up to 5 hours, which that's good if it really will do that. If it can do 2 hours, that's probably pretty good. Also, this is a receiver also, so you can use it either way. So what I've done is I've hooked the input to this, to the output of this radio. So now the audio coming out of this radio doesn't come out the speaker, comes out this cable to this transmitter, and then in the transmitter mode, it will transmit Bluetooth. And like for instance here, I have a set of headphones that will receive Bluetooth. So I can connect to this device right here. And so I could leave this in this transmitter. I probably want to extend the cable on the transmitter as far away from the radio as possible in case there's any interference. And then I can use these or some wireless earbuds to listen to whatever's being played on this radio throughout the house. Now the range they advertise, it's about 30 feet. I'm guessing it's maybe under 20 feet, but even 20 feet, you can move around your house quite a bit. It also comes with this cable, which gives you RCA jacks in case you've got an older radio that uses RCA jacks, and then this is the end that plugs into the transmitter. In addition to that, in this one, I got it on sale. They're unavailable right now in Amazon, but they make hundreds of these. And this one was $10 on sale. So you could actually get 2 of these and use conventional headphones, not Bluetooth. Plug one into one of the modules, put that in the receive mode. This module, put it in a transmitter mode, and the two will talk to each other. And you can go wireless throughout your house. So you could use just conventional headphones or earbuds, whatever. So I just wanted to show you that concept. I've used it. It works fine. And you can also, like for instance, some of the radios like this that have Bluetooth, they are Bluetooth receivers. So if, like for instance, this particular radio has better reception and you've got a cheaper, like a $20 radio that has Bluetooth, I've shown you a lot of them, that have Bluetooth, you could use that as the speaker, the amplified speaker via Bluetooth, wireless. That's the other great concept of this, it's wireless. So I thought I'd show you that. Again, you can get all kinds of these on Amazon. You can get ones that are just transmitters, ones that are just receivers. This one goes both ways. You select with a switch right there whether you want it to be a transmitter or a receiver. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.